Hello friends, today we will discuss some basic concept of probability. It's very important for class 10th, 11th as well as 12th. In this chapter, first we discuss some terms in which first term is experiment. Experiment is tossing of coin, rolling of dice, taking a card from a pack of cards and taking a ball from a bag. These are called experiments. Second one is outcomes. Outcomes are the results of experiment. Probability, it is equal to number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. Equally likely events in which probability of happening of an event is always equal. It's called equally likely event. The other is probability is always equals to 0. If probability is equals to 0 or can never be less than 1, it always lies between 0 and 1. This means probability can never be negative and probability can never be greater than 1. If in this chapter your answer will be negative or will be greater than 1, then your answer will be wrong. That is, probability always lies between 0 and 1. Probability of an event that cannot be happen is always 0. It's called impossible event. And probability of an event which is sure to happen, it's called possible event. Its probability is always equals to 1. First of all, we consider the case of coin. As we know, coin has two faces. One of them is head and other is tail. This means there is general formula for total number of cases in case of a coin. That's 2 power n. When we toss one coin, that single coin, then the total number of cases is 2 power n 2. In this, tossing of coin is an experiment and the results of the experiment are called outcomes, which are head and tail. If in this question we find the probability of a head, then the number of favorable cases, which is head, divided by total number of cases 2. If we find in this case probability of not head means tail. Probability of tail is 1 by 2. This means probability of an event plus probability of not an event is always equals to 1. This means PH plus P naught H equals to 1. Another example, when two friends play a game and probability of A winning the game, A wins is 1 by 4, then probability of B wins. One man's probability of A wins the game. That is 3/4. This means probability of an event plus probability of not an event is always equals to 1. Second one is when we toss two coins. When we toss two coins, then total number of cases 2 power 2, which is equal to 4. Then the outcomes are head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. If in this question, when we find the probability of both heads means HH. In this, number of favorable cases is 1 and the total number of cases are 4. If in this question we find the probability of one head means HT, TH. This means favorable cases are 2 and total number of cases are 4. If in this question we find the probability of both tail means TT, it's always equals to 1/4. This is the probabilities when we toss two coins. In third case, when we toss three coins, then total number of cases equals to 2 power 3, which is equal to 8. For writing this sample space means results, outcomes, we have first of all we write 4 heads, then 4 tails. After in second column we write 2 heads, 2 tails, 2 heads, 2 tails. In the third, head tail, head tail, head tail, head tail. This means we have a sample space of H. This means in all the 3 heads we get H in 3 coins. In second, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH, TTT. This is the sample space of this experiment. If in this we find the probability of 3 heads, this means the favorable case is 1, total number of cases is 8. If we find the probability of 2 heads, one of this is second, this is third case, this means 3/8. If within in this question we find probability of one head means 1, 2 and 3, 3/8. In last one, if we find the probability of no head at TTT, 1/8. If we sum of these all, we get 1. This means the sum of all the elementary probabilities is always equals to 1. In this question, there is another term, at least one head. At least one head means there is only one. At least we get one head. That is, at least means we get one head. HTT. After this THT, TTH. At least means one head means we get more than one head. That is HTH, THH, HHT, HHH. This means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Favorable cases are 7. Total number of cases are 8. At least means we get only one head and more than one head. But in the second word, we have at most one head. This means we have one head or less than one head. This means the outcomes are one head or less than one head. This means we have HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. This means 4 by 8, 1 by 2. This is the probability of at most one head and at least one head. In case 4, when we toss 4 coins, then total number of cases are 2 power 4, 16. For sample space, we write like this. First we write 8 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 head, 8 tails. And in second column, we write 4 head, 4 tails. Then 4 heads, 4 tails. Then 2 heads, 2 tails. 2 heads, 2 tails. 2 heads, 2 tails. 2 heads, 2 tails. Then we write 1 head, 1 tail, head tail, head tail, head tail, head tail, head tail, head tail. These are the 16 cases when we toss a coin 4 times. In this, when we find the probability of 4 head, that favorable case is 1 and total number of cases are 16. This means probability is 1 by 16. And 3 head, 2 head, 1 head, tails, etc. In second experiment, that is rolling of dice. As we know, in case 1, when we roll a single die, that is, in case of dice, we have formula for total number of cases, that is 6 power n. As we know, a die has 6 faces. That's case 1. When we toss one die, when we roll one dice, the total number of cases, that's 6 power n, 6. In this, if we find what is the probability of getting an even number, as we know, in case of dice, we have 2, 4, 6. These are the even numbers. In this, probability is 3 by 6, which is equal to 1. If in this, we find what is the probability of odd number. As we know, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. That is favorable case is 3. Total number of cases are 6. In this case, if we find the probability of prime number, as we know, prime number is 2, 3, 5. So its probability is again 3 by 6, 1 by 2. If we find in this probability less than 6 means we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's total number of cases 5, favorable 5, and total is 6. If in this we find the probability of greater than 6, as we know, there is no number greater than 6, so its probability is 0. In case 2, case second, when we roll 2 die, then total number of cases are 6 power 2, that's 36. If in this question the total number of cases are 36, which are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. After this, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. After this, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. These are the total 36 cases. If in this question we find the probability of doublet, Doublet means we get same number on all the dice. This means same number. Same number means we get 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. This is total number of figures 6. Total is 36. We get 1 by 6. If in this question we find not getting same number, not getting same number, for this we subtract one man's p doublet. This means probability of getting same number is subtracted from 1. This means 5 by 6. That is probability of getting not same number is 5 by 6. In this question, if we get the probability as sum as 9, sum as 9, this means in first dice we get 4 and second 5, 5 4, 3 6, 6 3. This means total favorable 4 and 36 1 by 9. This is the probability of getting sum as 9. In the same way, we find sum as 11. In 11, we have two cases only, 5 6 and 6 5. That is 2 by 36 is the probability. If we get the sum as 10, that's 5 5 and 4 6 and 6 4. This means 3. Probability is 3 by 36. That's 1 by 12. In the same way, if we roll 3 dice, then the total number of cases are 6 power 3, that is 216. If in this experiment we have required to find the probability of sum as 5. For sum as 5, we get 2 2 1. This means on the first die we have 2, second 2 and third is 1. 2 1 2, 1 2 2, another is 3 1 1 3, 1 3 1, 3 1 1. These are the 6 cases. This means probability is 6 by 216, that's 1 by 36. And if we require to find what is the probability of getting a triplet, triplet means we have same numbers on all the dice. This means 1 1 1, 2 2 2 2, 3 3 3 and up to 6 6 6. This means total number of favorable cases are 6 and total cases is 216. We get probability is 1 by 36. In the experiment third, we have a pack of cards. As we know, in pack of cards there are total number of cards. Total number of cards are 52, in which 26 cards are of black color, black, and 26 cards are of red color. In 26 black colors, there are 13 cards of spade and 13 cards of club. In red, there are 13 cards of diamond and 13 cards of heart. In this, we have 4 kings. That's king of each. That's king of spade, king of club, king of diamond, king of heart, and we have 4 queens. This means each having this 4 jack, each one 4 ace, and also we have 4 10. 1 10 is of spade, 1 is of club, 1 is of diamond, 1 is of heart. In the same way, we have 4 9s, 4 8s, 4 7s, 4 6, 4 5, 4 4, 4 3, 4 2 as well as 4 ace. These are the total 52 cards. If in question we have statement, when we shuffled a what is the probability of getting a card of spade when a 52 cards are well shuffled? That's the card of spade. As we know, the total number of cards of spade are 13 and total number of cards are 52. this means 1 by 2. If we find that is the probability of getting a king, as we know there are 4 kings and total number of cards are 52, we have 1 by 13. As we find 10 of heart, as we know there is 10 of heart, only one card is of 10 of heart, this means probability is 1 by 2. If we find what is the probability of getting a red card, as we know in 52 cards there are 26 cards are of red color and total 52, this means probability is 1 by 2. If we find what is the probability of getting a card of diamond, total number of diamond cards are 13 and total are 52, this means 1 by 4. These are the 52 cards and we have find probabilities like this. In probabilities we have 2 words, very important words. One of these with replacement, this means card is replaced in the pack. For example, in the pack of 2 cards we draw 2 cards 1 by 1 with replacement. This means when we draw 1 card and note its diamond values, diamond, spade, club or king, queen, etc. and replaced in the pack, this means the total number of cards in the second case are same, but in without replacement the card is not replaced. This means when we draw second card we have a pack of 51 cards, as when we draw first card we have a pack of 52 cards, and when we draw second card we have a pack of only 51 cards. This means the card which when draw first is not replaced in the pack, it's called without replacement, and when the card is replaced in the pack it's called with replacement. These are the basic concept of probability. In the next video we discuss first 10th class probability chapter. Thanks.